In this video, I'm going to show you how to see GoDaddy website traffic step by step so you can quickly check how your site is performing without any confusion. This is a really useful process if you want to understand your visitors, monitor your orders, and see how your website is doing over time using GoDaddy's built-in dashboard. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to your GoDaddy product page and log in with the account that manages your website. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your GoDaddy account area where all of your products are listed. From here, scroll down until you find the Websites plus Marketing section. This is the area where GoDaddy keeps the tools for your website, analytics, and performance details. After you find that section, click Manage next to the website you want to view. This will open the main dashboard for that specific site. Now, once the dashboard loads, look for the section that says Here's How You're Performing. This is the key area where GoDaddy shows your website traffic and performance information in one place. Inside this section, you can see important metrics like site visitors, orders, and social views. These numbers help you understand how much attention your website is getting and how people are interacting with it. If you want to analyze your traffic over a specific period, you can also use the available filters to switch between the last 30 days and the last 12 months. That makes it easy to compare recent activity with longer-term results, so you can spot trends and see whether your traffic is growing. If you're checking this regularly, it can also help you make smarter decisions about your content, products, and promotions. For example, if you notice more visitors after posting on social media, you can focus more on that strategy. Or if you see orders increase during certain periods, you can use that information to plan future campaigns. The great thing is that GoDaddy puts these insights right on your dashboard, so you don't need any complicated tools just to understand the basics. Once you know where to look, checking your website traffic becomes quick and easy. So to recap, log into your GoDaddy product page, open Websites plus Marketing, click Manage for your website, and then check the Here's How You're Performing section on your dashboard. From there, you can review site visitors, orders, social views, and filter by the last 30 days or 12 months. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.